Hey everybody, it's Tanya Atomic, and today I have this Herkin box. It fills the whole screen, more than, from Glamlite Cosmetics, and I know it's in here, and if you looked at the thumbnail, you know it's in here too. And I am so excited to show you this. A Nightmare on Elm Street full collection from Glamlite. I had to, in this little makeup bag, I had to order the full collection because I'm a huge fan. I love Nightmare on Elm Street. I love Freddy Krueger. I like every single one of the movies for different reasons. Here is the makeup bag. It says "Never Sleep Again" right there. It was all squished down for packaging, but Nightmare on Elm Street Glamlite. And on the back, there we go. I mean, A Nightmare on Elm Street and the series, that was those were movies that I watched time and time again when I was a kid. With my friend Wendy, we would rent them over and over and just watch them all the time. And it's probably my favorite horror series. So yeah, that's a really cool makeup bag. Now, let me put the big cardboard box aside. Oh my goodness, look at this, you guys. I mean, look at that. It's very large. Here's the back. Here's the side. I mean, this is really cool. And it says Freddy Krueger here. And it looks like a VHS tape. We're gonna open this up. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. I love this. I'm really, really excited. We're gonna open this up. Looks like that. Some paper there. Ugh. I mean, this is the kind of thing where I'm definitely keeping all of the packaging. And this little sticker was closing the tissue paper, and I'm going to keep that somewhere. I'm going to put it on the plastic that it came on so that it can come off easily. And I don't know what I'm going to do with that yet, but I'm going to do something with it. I mean, the tissue paper, I mean, it's so gross. Look, it looks like burnt up skin. That's so gross. Anyway, I'm going to keep that tissue paper too. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Okay, so the first thing in here is the 5-piece brush set. And I'm wondering if all this stuff will fit in the makeup bag. I don't know. But I'm going to try to use all this stuff for you today. I mean, that is cool. I usually go in depth into packaging and everything, but I'm not going to go as in depth today because there's just so much stuff. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, look at this. Look at these brushes. They're filled with some kind of red liquid, and they say A Nightmare on Elm Street. So, and they all say that, and they all have green caps here. These are super cool. I love these brushes already. Nightmare on Elm Street lipstick duo. So this is, I'm not sure. Oh my gosh, look at, there's little spiders on it. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. And then it looks like Freddy Krueger's sweater. And this is There's some slashies on here. It's got Freddy Krueger silhouette. Oh my gosh. Oh, no spiders, but it says Nightmare on Elm Street on the barrel. I don't see the shade names on here. They just say Glamlite on the bottom. I mean, look at this packaging. I want to save like every single box too, but I don't know. I just don't know. You can't save everything. But the packaging is very, very cool. This Nightmare on Elm Street and Glamlite mirror is your portal to the twisted, terrifying world of Freddy Krueger. That's creepy, you guys. So here's the hand mirror, and it says A Nightmare on Elm Street right on the top there. And this is cool. I'm gonna use this mirror. I actually don't have a hand mirror like this. I never really felt the need. I like some of those old antique dresser set type ones, but I like this. I'm gonna use this. It's got a good shape. I can see my whole face in there really well, and I'm gonna use this. And next we have this. Is A Nightmare on Elm Street Blush Trio. Chest of Souls Blush Trio. Here's the back. Here's the front. That is very cool. It's a cool lenticular cover. And then look at what it looks like inside. Those are the colors, and then there's the mirror. I didn't even see this little guy hanging out there. Killer lip oil. That is super cool. It's just red with like the drips there. And it says Glamlite on the bottom and Nightmare on Elm Street here on the top. Well, then we have a palette here. And this is the back. This is the front. Never Sleep Again. And this is the inside. That's gorgeous. Comes in this green one. This is it here. Freddy Krueger. And then here's the back. Ooh, and this one is like neat greens and stuff. That's cool. Okay, so for today, I think I'm going to go with reds because that's going to match my outfit better. So I'm going to go with that Never Sleep Again palette. First, I'm going to try the blush. And I'm just going to go with this color here. I don't see shade names, but that's okay. So I'm going to use this... The other colors are going to be really, really dark on me. This one is very pigmented. I put a lot on the brush though. But as you can see, it blends out. I'm just going to add a little bit more to match it. So that's pretty bright. But I did load up my brush. You can put it on a lot lighter than I just did. I could keep this just like this. I think that'd be really pretty. You open it like this. And I'm gonna go with this darker wine color lipstick. I think that color is super pretty. So I'm going to go into this Never Sleep Again palette, and I'm going to use the brushes that came with the set. Man, this is a hard choice. Whew. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous palette. I think I'm gonna start, the lightest color is this one right here, the Chest of Souls. I'm gonna try this. That's a nice matte. It's blendable. I mean, it's blending out. And it's also building. I could build it a little bit more, I think. In the middle here. So I'm just building it in my crease. And kind of, I'm like just blowing it out. Okay, so then I'm going to go into, I really want to use this Terror color. It's this really deep cherry. And I'm going to use that here. I'm just using the same brush because I'm just going darker with the colors. And it's a fluffy brush. I'm keeping it sort of blown out at the ends, at the edges. So far I'm really impressed. I feel like the mattes like blend really well. It's really pretty. Sometimes my camera doesn't pick up, like the camera makes it look like patchier, more intense, but in the mirror here it's like soft and blended and really pretty, and I hope that's what you're getting through the camera as well. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna use 2 of the shimmers, and I'm gonna use this brush, and I'm gonna go with this deep shimmer here. It's Don't Fall Asleep. It almost matches Terror as far as like the depth. Wow, okay, it comes across as black. I'm just gonna pack it on very gently though. It comes across as sort of black with a sparkle, with like a red sparkle, and I'm gonna pack it gently so that I can get the sparkle. I don't know if you're getting, are you getting that sparkle? Are you seeing what I see? To be honest, a lot of the sparkle does blow away, but hopefully you can see a little bit there. Next I'm going to go into, you know what? I was going to go into Dream Warrior, the red, but I'm going to go into this Nightmare, and it's a red with a sort of green sparkle. And I'm going to use that same brush. I'm going to flip it over. It is, Don't Fall Asleep was super dark, so I don't know if I'm going to get some mixing in here. Okay, that doesn't show up very well, so I'm actually going to use my finger. So this particular one is kind of creamy, and it's not picking up well with that brush. So I'm going to use my finger. Okay, to be honest, I'm having a little bit of trouble with that shade. I'm not upset. I don't hate the shade or anything like that. I'm just having a little bit of trouble picking it up. It's creamy, but it's sort of densely packed in here. But I feel like kind of the more I use it and the more I warm it up, the better it'll work. Whoops. Okay, I just rubbed black on my face. Okay, so I do like the shade. I just rubbed black on my face and I'm gonna have to clean that up later. I don't have time to do it right now. So I will say the issue I'm having is that Don't Fall Asleep color is such a dark black base, and I tried to pack it on. I got it on my hands and it's just hard. It just gets everywhere. But I'm not upset or anything. I'm just gonna clean this up a little bit, like at the end of everything. I feel like it's just because it's black. I don't think there's a problem with the shade, but I think you just gotta be careful with it. This might be the kind of palette that you do your eyes first. I feel like with, you know, the Chucky palette and the Friday the 13th, it's really dark too, and so, you know, same thing. I'm gonna go into this like really light silvery shade and just kind of do a lighter inner corner right there. Okay, I'm back. So what I had to take a little bit of makeup remover and get the little spots, and then I powdered and put a little Thrive mascara and a little Molly not liquid eyeliner, pencil eyeliner down. And so that's what I did to get this look. I think it's really pretty. I really like the shades. I think that because of the depth and darkness, you're going to want to be careful. Maybe do your eyes first. The Nightmare shade is really cool, but it's hard pressed. I think that if I use it a couple times, I think it'll like be better. I'm going to swatch it really quick. Also, I think because I use it next to the black. See, here's what it is swatched. See, it's kind of a pink with green shimmer in it. It's very pale though, and I think it just ended up getting a lot of black in it, but I think it looks cool. I like it this way. Yeah, I think it's really pretty, and I think that, you know, like I said, with a little bit more use, it'll warm it up. It's sort of creamy, but very dense, and very, very light. Oh, it's so cool. Yeah, so it's a cool color. It's something that maybe I might want to use with a lighter base at some point, but I do like it. I like it in this look, so it's totally fine. I just enjoy it all. I love the packaging of everything and the colors, the way that they picked the colors to go with everything. I mean, for me, it's like same old Glamlite stuff. I probably had more problems with these particular shadows than I normally do with Glamlite, but I feel like I'm just getting to know it, and it's not really issues with the product, but just kind of understanding where it's going, how it's placing, and what, you know, what to do with it. But I still think the look came out really nice. The mattes blended out super nice. Just these shimmers and these shiny shades, I gotta get to know. They feel a little bit different to me, but I like them. I like these. I like this set, and I'm really happy that I got the complete set. I love the movies. I love the makeup, and yeah, I'm really happy with this. What do you guys think? I want to know in the comments below, what is your favorite Nightmare on Elm Street movie? Are you a purist and you love #1? Do you like #2 because of Jesse? Do you think 3 is the best? A lot of people think 3 is the best. What do you think? I enjoy them all for different reasons. And yeah, I just love Nightmare on Elm Street. I love the series, and I think it's so much fun. And that is it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching.